Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly updated. Begin by sterilizing jars and measuring fruit, sugar, and pectin precisely. Prepare fruit by crushing or chopping, then simmer until soft and press to extract clear juice. Return the juice to heat, add pectin and sugar, and boil vigorously for 1 minute. Skim foam, fill hot jars, seal, and invert briefly to ensure vacuum. Select ripe, flavorful fruit for the best jelly. Prepare fruit by washing, removing stems, and cutting larger pieces into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Use apples or citrus for natural pectin, or add powdered pectin per package directions. Measure juice yield to calculate sugar ratio, typically equal parts sugar to juice for traditional jelly, or follow low-sugar recipes carefully. Store unused jelly refrigerated or properly canned for shelf stability. Quick recommendation: if you love fresh smells as much as fresh jelly, grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener for your car to keep drives pleasant. If your hands smell of sugar and fruit, a crisp scent can feel like a clean reset before errands. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Boil the juice, pectin, and sugar together, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Maintain a full rolling boil that cannot be stirred down for 1 to 2 minutes, or as pectin specifies. Test for set by using the plate method or observing sheet-like drops from a spoon. Remove from heat promptly when set is reached to prevent overcooking. Ladle into hot jars and process in a water bath if desired for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.